Class 4, good morning everyone. Welcome to this class, subject science. Myself Mrs. Anjali Sarode from Tata Chem Devi Public School, Mithapur. Children, lesson 4 plants around us continue, and today I am giving you some work, revision work, and of course riddles about plants. So ready? Do you know the test yourself, children? Who am I? आपको थोड़ा आपको खुद को पहचानना है, खुद को तैयार रखना है. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रीडर्स? ऑल ऑफ यू नो, आई थिंक, बट जस्ट आई एम शेयरिंग यू. Puzzling questions posed as a problem to solve or guessed. I am giving you some puzzling questions and you have to solve yourself and guessed. Okay, so ready? Come on. Number 1 puzzle questions. See the picture given on your slide, on your right side picture clue, and some characteristic features related to this plant. So ready to listen and give the answer. Guess it, okay? I have a long hollow stem, saucer-shaped leaves with waxy coating and stomata on the upper side of leaves. Who am I? Guess? Yes, I am a lotus plant. Okay? These are the main characteristic features you have to learn side by side. Okay? Now next puzzle. I am a plant that can live a long time with less water. I often found in desert. Spines are present instead of leaves. The stems store water. Who am I? Children, guess who is? Yes, I am a cactus plant. तो ये रहे characteristic features of cactus plant. Now next puzzle. I grow in marshy soil. I have a special root system. My breathing roots are also called aerial roots. My roots grow above the water. Who am I? Yes, answer correct. I am mangrove plant. Thank you. Now next. See, picture carefully and now listen. I found in hot and wet region I have a large number of leaves. I keep losing and growing leaves in small numbers. I am evergreen throughout the year. Who am I? And your answer, guess it fast. Coconut tree. Yes, I am a coconut tree. Children, now next listen. Next clue. I am very small and light. My roots are not fixed in the water bed. I am floating freely on water. Who am I? Guess to me. Huh? Yes, duckweed. I am duckweed. Children, your answer is correct. Duckweed plant. Okay. Now next. I have a pointed and strap leaves. I exchange gases we water in special way. I grow underwater. I increase the oxygen content of water and remove carbon dioxide. Who am I? I am hydrilla. So in this way you have to learn features of hydrilla. Children, now next. I am in conical shape. My leaves are narrow and needle shaped. My leaves does not allow snow to get deposited on them. Who am I? And your answer, guess it. Come on. Yes, pine tree. I am a pine tree. So children, pine tree grow in hilly area or mountain. Okay, this is terrestrial type of plants. Now children, you know that number 1 point, plants have adapted to the different area and climates in which they live. Number 2nd point, terrestrial plants survive on mountains, in plains, deserts and marshes. Point number 3, evergreen trees lose and regrow a few leaves at a time. Non-evergreen trees lose and regrow all their leaves at once. Number 4, aquatic plants can be floating, fixed or underwater plants. So you have to learn all points and read carefully. Is that clear? Children, now you can practice your work to write features about different types of plants in this way in your rub book. Just I am showing you sample. Question number 1. What are the features of fixed aquatic plants? Write question and give the answer in this way. Draw one pictures of that particular plant. Just for example, I am showing you on your screen. Kamal means lotus flower. Number 1 answer. The stem are long, hollow, in bracket, stem with holes, bracket finish and light. Number 2, the leaves are broad with stomata on the top surface so that water does not block them. 3rd, fixed aquatic plants are attached to the pond bed. So in this way you have to write down all characteristic features of that particular plant, and in this way you have to practice in your rub book and learn and ready for test. Okay, so thanks for watching this. Have a nice day. Keep it your work और hard work करते रहो. Daily you have to read. Thanks for watching this. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.